Brian Jackson, editor at IT World Canada here. I'm here at the CES Unveiled event. This is one of the first events of CES Las Vegas. It's where we get to see some of the CES show winners for the Innovation Awards. So I'm just going to take you around and tour you through the different booths here very briefly, taking a quick look at the Innovation Award winners. And I think you'll see that a lot of the show's themes are represented in these award winners, namely artificial intelligence, connectivity in terms of IoT and connected devices, as well as robotics and all sorts of interesting stuff. Come take a look. Our first CES Innovation Award winner is the wallet card. It's made by Dynamics. This is the same company that makes the Tim Hortons Visa CIBC Double card.
Today, after 5 years of working on this technology, we introduced the wallet card. The wallet card has three very unique features. Number one is you can actually store on the card any card digitally. And so you can see that this has a full digital representation, name, card number, logo, expiration, and CVC dates. It can store over a dozen cards. And that's the first technology.
The wallet card is a merging of digital payments with physical payments. Just like you can store multiple debit or credit cards on your phone, you can store multiple payment accounts on this card. That means no more having to replace your physical card when there's suspicion of fraud. Your bank can just issue you new credentials directly to your wallet. On January 8th, Dynamics announced the banks that it will be working with for wallet card, and that list included CIBC. For IT World Canada, I'm Brian Jackson.